Imagine a normal day in healthcare. Do you imagine it as being busy or quiet? Is everything running smoothly, or are there unexpected situations to sort out? Have these hiccups become part of the everyday work? How do healthcare staff deal with these? How do they adapt to sudden changes? In the video Holistic Approach to Safety, we explored the principles of Safety 1 and Safety 2, and why it is important to learn from all events, not just when things go wrong. Now we're going to look at the benefits of learning from everyday events and examples of different tools available to implement Safety 2 principles in a healthcare environment. When we look at day-to-day events, we have the opportunity to learn from the things that go right every day, despite suboptimal conditions, by identifying the resilient abilities in the system. The system could be an organization, a hospital, or a department. Resilience is all about adapting positively. This means delivering high-quality care consistently, even when things get tricky, and continuing to adapt, learn, and improve. Learning from everyday work is the core concept of Safety 2. The benefits of learning from everyday work are many, improving all aspects of performance and well-being within a team, helping staff notice and assess gradual changes, encouraging everyone to take part in the learning process, and by identifying where resilience exists, teams can build on their strengths, and enhance safety for all. How can we change practices? Shifting from Safety 1 to Safety 2 is a slow process that needs commitment from the whole team. There are small steps we can take to start. Educate staff on Safety 2 concepts, including its benefits and advantages. Then these concepts can be introduced into our improvement plans. For this to work, staff must feel safe to speak up with their concerns and ideas. A safe, learning and just culture is key for a Safety 2 focused workplace. There are several tools available to implement Safety 2. Let's look at a couple of them now. 1. Debriefings. Healthcare debriefings can be implemented in different ways, like safety huddles, proactive safety observations, quality walkarounds, multidisciplinary simulations, or observational audits. These debriefings create opportunities for teamwork and reflective conversations about specific events. They are crucial for learning, improvement, and performance optimization, and help promote staff well-being and psychological safety. The Institute for Healthcare Improvement has proposed a Safety 2 focused debriefing tool that you can use or adapt in your workplace. 2. Concepts for applying resilience engineering, also referred to as the CARE model. Like all Safety 2 initiatives, implementing the CARE model needs a safe, just, learning and restorative culture. Staff must feel safe sharing how the work is done, including the adaptations and adjustments required for positive outcomes. The CARE model aims to identify misalignments between system demands and the system's capacity to meet them. It looks at how the work is done, whether the result is positive or negative. This model can help to close the gap between work as imagined and work as done by identifying factors causing this gap, which might relate to equipment, space, staffing, processes, communication, or workflow. Real-life examples of success. Appreciative Inquiry, AI. Appreciative Inquiry is a change method that focuses on the strengths and positive aspects of an organization. It is a multifaceted approach that becomes both a way of being and a way of doing. Asking the right questions are key to driving high performance and keeping focus on organizational strengths. Appreciative Inquiry helps teams to investigate and learn from successes and everyday events that go right. It promotes teamwork, builds on strengths, and turns staff aspirations into actionable plans. The model for applying Appreciative Inquiry has 4 phases when looking at a positive event. These are: discover. Staff appreciate the positive aspects of the current situation. Dream. Staff envision how it could be improved. design. The dream is turned into tangible actions. Lastly, destiny. The agreed actions are implemented. Let's look at a real example of how appreciative inquiry was used to inform improvement within team function. A large UK teaching hospital interviewed 40 trainees of different grades about their work in a big intensive care unit during the COVID-19 pandemic. They wanted to understand what worked well daily and find areas to improve. The interviews followed an appreciative inquiry approach and revealed 4 main well-being themes. 1. Feeling safe. 2. Physical demands. 3. Emotional burden. 4. Sense of fulfillment. Trainees made over 100 suggestions, many with ideas for putting them into practice. Check this video's resources for more successful examples of application of Safety 2 in healthcare. A Safety 2 approach is important in healthcare because it shifts our focus. Instead of just trying to prevent errors and adverse events, we look at how healthcare systems succeed in various situations. This approach is essential for building resilience, improving patient care, supporting staff, and boosting safety. Thanks for watching.